So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing some Illumo lights onto the Toyota Crown. For those who know, the Toyota Crown came with that old school yellow light look. So what we're going to be doing today is changing it up with some white bright lights from Illumo, and hopefully it gives it more of that VIP look and also that luxury look. So we basically got the full package. We got the low beams, the parkers, the rear license plate light, and all of the interior lights as well. Alright, so let's start some of the lights. So right here, look at it, it's yellow. Hopefully we can change it to a nice bright white. And over here as well, it's yellow as well. And the back one's here as well. Look at that. So hopefully we can change it over and make it 100 times way better. Oh, forgot to show you guys the main one at the front. Here it is, the main lights, the parkers and the low beam. Yellow right here. Parkers in the corner, yellow as well. So I got some bad news. I got a feeling these low beam lights won't work on my Toyota Crown because I think my stock Toyota Crown has been rewired. So if you come close behind the headlight area, so right here, this is where the OEM globe is meant to go, you know. Look at that, the HRD plugs in here, straight plug and play. But it looks like it has been rewired. Look at that. Like if you take a look, this is my actual headlight. Look at that. What the hell? Like how does that even work? So I got a feeling it has been rewired. I'm gonna plug the globe in and fingers crossed it works. Like, you know, it's a double system and I don't have to rewire it. But yeah, I guess it is what it is. Maybe this is why my headlight is so like shit, like it's not even bright, because look at that. That looks like some interior light or something. But yeah, so fingers crossed it works. If not, we have to come back another day and rewire it. But at least we can do the interior and stuff. So alright guys, we've just finished installing the parkers and it's already looking 100 times way better. But unfortunately I didn't get the chance to do the low beam lights. So like I said, I think it's been rewired before. So I tried to plug it in, I turned it on, it didn't work, and I just left it there. So I didn't spend any time trying to figure out what was going on. But next time I will get there. But for today, I'm kind of in a rush, so I just left it and put back the normal lights. Just finished installing the Illumo package. Everything is now on, but like I said before, we couldn't get the low beams on because I got to figure a way how to wire it up. We have got the parkers on, the full interior, the license plate, and the boot as well. So here is the parkers. Ooh, that's actually sicky, actually 100 times way better. And like I said before, I couldn't get the low beam, so I'll show you guys. It kind of looks weird, but don't mind it. Hey DJ, flick that switch. Yeah, but yeah, look how weird it looks. Hey, no, don't worry, we'll get there. Don't sleep on it, we'll get there. But yeah, I didn't want to go back to the stock one because I thought we already bought it. But yeah, what you guys reckon though? 100 times way better or nah?
You know what this looks like, yeah? Oh. I swear, like all these lights, like you could use these. Bro, I'm pretty sure this is what I'm not sponsoring them, yeah? This is not a sponsorship, but these are the lights they use for the movies. Watch, ready? We're gonna do a little action scene.
Yeah, alright.
Ready? So where we going, boss?
We're going to the potato farm.
Alright, tell them what's up.
Alright guys, so right now we're closing the garage. We have left the lights on and you're going to see the results. Look, it's getting darker. It's still look daytime in here,
Oh,
Stas, bro.
shit.
But look at this shit, bro. This is hella bright. Actually, 100 times way better.
It is actually
we
sick.
actually forgot this one too.
Which one? Whoa! It's like a freaking, the alien ships coming down and getting us.
Alright, so I kind of wish I recorded the before for you guys. You know how it was yellow, it was dull. So for those who own crowns, you guys know it was hella shit. But with these iilumo lights, check it out. Fire! Look at this, turn it off. Pretty dark here, turn it on. Ooh, it's actually 100 times way better. Just realized with these iilumo lights, you can full see through the VIP tinted windows now. So back then you couldn't see it, but check this out, ready? Bro, who remembers this? Couldn't see it, but now you can. Check. Huh? But anyways, as I was saying was, yeah, you couldn't see the tinted windows before, but look at that, bro. It's like, I don't even have tint. And if you come through here, bro, it's like a car show in here. Like, what the hell? That's actually 100 times way better.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, gosh, yeah.
Oh, fuck. Look at that. Oh, come here quick. Like, see, if you don't know what shoe someone got, they could sell you fake Yeezys.
Yeah,
bro, you can tell it's fake Yeezys.
Yeah.
Nah, that's real.
Yeah, that's real.
Yeah, that's real. That's real.
Hey, watch this. Keep the camera there.
Hey,
this, no door. Can't see anything. With the door.
Whoa.
Alright, so right now we're going to show you the results of the boot. Let's go. Shit. Okay. I'll show you the interior again right here. As you can see, pretty nice. Pretty lit. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT. And also, I know I didn't really showcase the product much. I already did a video on that on my S2K, so I'll link it. If you want to see more and learn more about the products, head over to that video. But as you guys can see, it made the crown look 100 times way better, more VIP. Comment down below if you guys like the new look or not. And guys, just remember once again, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.